broken. I'm broken because you cut my branches. I'm broken, you know why? Because I gave my whole life to you. And what you did with me? You just killed me. Just because I cannot express my pain? You killed me. Just because I couldn't count what I did for you? You know you killed me. You killed me for making your home and your bed. I cried a lot that day. When you was cutting my body, I was in pain. It was killing inside. I cried a lot that day when you was snatching my sprig, my life from me, my breath from me. You know, they was like my child, my sprig. But I'm dead now. I want to forgive you because I always want to be a giver. I want to be live again. Can you make me alive again? Can you make me breathe again? I want to see the world. I want to see the world. I want to be a giver again. I'm ready to bear all your pain. You can kill me again. But I want to live again. I want to see the world. I want to see the world.